Yeah.
Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing chicken wings today. We're gonna be doing them outside on the grill, and that's what we got. We got garlic, we got some parm, right? We got parm, we got garlic, right? So you know what we're making, right? We're making garlic parm chicken wings for dinner today. So we got butter, we got mayonnaise, right? We got some slap your mama, we got garlic, we got cornstarch, guys. The cornstarch is gonna be what makes our chicken wings crispy, almost like fried, outside on the grill. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got like 6 cloves of garlic going in there, right? Avocado oil, just a little bit. That's pretty much it, guys, right? You know what? This is a lot of chicken. You know what? I'm going in with some more garlic. All right, so we went in with some more garlic. I went on like another 5 cloves of garlic, like a few small ones too. All right, we got a lot of garlic. All right, guys, so we're just gonna grate this. You guys, go ahead, spend a little bit of extra money. I got this from Costco, right? This is way better than the stuff you're gonna get in the supermarket. That's like a little triangle. Get this. This is way better, way better, way better. All right, guys, so we got our chicken wings, right? And then we're not gonna do anything special, right? Nothing special. They've been sitting around. I washed them up, cleaned them up, and they've been kind of sitting around. So one's on the bottom a little moist, but that's it. We let them dry up a little bit. Now before our cornstarch, right? All right, guys, so for our cornstarch, right? I'm just gonna season it up just a little bit, right? I'm gonna go in here with a little bit of slap your mama. Not too much, right? Because we just wanna have some flavor, right? Some flavor, we don't wanna have no flavor. And then we're gonna go in with some granulated garlic, right? This is to help the garlic out a little bit. And that's it. So it's not like not seasoned, okay? All right, and then we're just gonna take our plain chicken wings, right? They're not seasoned up or anything. And we're just gonna go in, right? Just put a few. And we're just gonna put this on top and give it the old shaky shake, right? Whew. Careful, get it all over the place. And these are gonna go on a plate. I'm gonna do the rest of these and then we'll meet you outside. All right, guys, so we're outside at the grill, right? And we have our Weber heat controller. This works like a vortex, right? So you fill this up with charcoal and then it heats up. It's gonna heat up to like 500 degrees. So, and we're gonna put our chicken wings on the outside here, right? And they're gonna get nice and crispy. It's only gonna take 25, 30 minutes or so. So let me get this lit up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, we're pretty hot already. I just want to heat my grate up a little bit. So I'm gonna put the top on this. All right, guys, I got some avocado oil in the paper towel. I'm just gonna wipe these grates down. Hey, not only are we cleaning them, we don't want our chicken to stick. So, guys, I forgot to hit record. So we put our chicken wings all the way around, right? Right? And we're just gonna close this up. I'm gonna come back out in 10 minutes, 15 minutes to take a look and then see if we need to flip. All right, guys, so we're back inside. All right, we got a half a stick of butter and we're gonna let that melt. Now, I don't wanna melt this butter harshly, right? I don't wanna have this pan hot all the way. I wanna just bring it down nice and slow. Now I'm gonna put some garlic in here. I'm gonna kinda like roast the garlic or saute. Saute is the better word. I'm gonna saute the garlic in the butter is I really want to get this butter infused with garlic, right? So we're gonna let this melt. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go in with the garlic. That's a lot of garlic, right? I think I'm gonna stop right there. And just let this come up to temp and let this garlic really saute for a little while. All right, guys. So our garlic is smelling like garlic, right? Everything smells like garlic bread in here right now. I probably should have had some of that. Could have put some of this on top of it, right? Some bread. All right. So I'm gonna just turn this heat off. And I'm gonna let this come down just a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our Parmesan in. I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, we've cooled down just a little bit, and we're going in with our cheese. Because I want to melt the cheese, but I don't want to, to be like, super melted. So in with our cheese, right? We'll see if we need more. I'm gonna give this a nice little stir. And then, guys, no, we haven't used any salt yet, right? And then I'm just gonna take this and put this in the mayonnaise, right? Let me move you guys over. All right, so we got about 1 cup of mayonnaise, right? Just about 1 cup, maybe a little less. And we're just going in with our butter and cheese mixture. And we're just gonna give this a nice mix. You know what, before I give it a taste, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of granulated garlic. And a little bit of slap your mama. Not too much. All right, we're gonna give this a nice taste. That's good, guys. That's perfect. That is perfect. Guys, 10 minutes have gone by. This says it's 450. It's probably hotter than that. This is what they look like. Doesn't look too appetizing, does it? This is what they look like. This one here is getting a little brown, right? Doesn't look appetizing at all. Let's see if we need to flip these. I'm gonna go another 10 minutes and come back out. That'll be 20 minutes total on one side. We'll be back. And guys, I've been coming out every few minutes and I've been rotating this vent. Because this is going to be a little bit hotter here because the air is going to come up and through. So I've just been rotating it, trying to get hot air all the way around. All right, guys, so let's take a quick look inside. I'm going to temp these real quick. 188, 195. I mean, temp-wise, they're cooked. But looking at them, they're not cooked. So we're gonna give these a nice little flip. Guys, hopefully I'm not running to Popeyes. All right, guys, so let's bring you in a little closer. And this is what they look like right now. Hopefully you can see that. This is what they look like. They look a little yucky. And if you could tell, I don't know if you could hear this. They sound crunchy. All right, I'm gonna give this 10 more minutes again. So 10 more minutes. All right, guys, so another 10 minutes has gone by. Look at that, they're getting browner, guys. They're getting browner. So let's take a look. Let's bring you guys in. They're much browner, right? Way browner. I think they probably need just a few more minutes. Let's take a quick temp. Let's just take a quick temp. Guys, this thing is really hot. Let's take a quick temp. See what they look like here. Right? They're not white anymore, right? This one is. They're not white anymore. So let's just take a quick temp. That one's coming at 207. 206. Guys, I think we're gonna let these go a few more minutes, and all right, so we'll do another 7 minutes. We'll do another 7 minutes and see what it looks like. You guys, check this out, you know, little taste, not too bad, right? All right, guys, so it's been 7 minutes now. Let's take a quick look. Much better, guys. Much better. Look at that. Look at that. Can y'all hear? I want to see if y'all hear the crisp. I'm gonna flip these over to see what they look like. All right, guys. So we're gonna go 5 more minutes, 7 more minutes, 7 more minutes, and then that's it. We're gonna be eating. All right, guys. So we're done. Take a look at that. All right, we're gonna bring these inside. Starting to really look like fried chicken, right? All right, we're gonna get these inside and we're gonna sauce them up. We are gonna sauce these up. All right, guys, this is what our chicken looks like, right? Up close. I don't know if you can hear this. Nice and crunchy. All right, guys, so we got our chicken wings, right? Guys, I don't know if you could see this, but they look like fried chicken. It really does look like fried chicken. So I'm gonna put these down on the plate, put some of them here while they're still hot, right? All right, and then I'm just gonna go down with our mixture, right? Our Parmesan cheese mixture, right on top. And we're gonna give these a nice little toss. I'm just gonna use my hands for now. I wanna get these everywhere. All right. Now, I gotta taste this, okay? Let's go in, right? Not bad, guys. Not bad. Oh. All right, guys. All right, guys. So here's our finished wings. I had a little camera mishap there, so hopefully we'll catch it. It'll be right. I'm gonna bring you guys right back. I'm gonna finish this plate off. All right, guys. Let me give you a nice little flyover. Had a little camera mishap, so we lost a little bit of video there, a little B-roll. But this is what our chicken looks like. This our plate. We got a baked potato with some Parmesan wings, right? Chicken wings, right? They look fried, don't they? They really do. Guys, and they're crunchy too. And we got our baked potato. Guys, this is dinner tonight, right? Took a little bit longer to make this, right? We was about 30 minutes out on the grill. But there you go. Let's get into this. I'm gonna get into this real quick. Let's get into this. I'm gonna put you guys on the thing. All right, guys, I'm going in. Going in with this. Guys, it's not as crunchy as fried chicken, but it's not bad either. Guys, this is good. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.